The aftermarket filter, we're going to go ahead, we're going to take this apart and see what's on the inside. So it looks like you got a cardboard outer with that foam around the outside, which is deteriorated over time. Okay. Oh, looks like those two sections separate. So let's go ahead, let's try to. So that's that paper border. Oh, that's, ooh, it stinks. Get the rest of that off of there. There we go. Okay, so you got your charcoal side, and you got your filter media. I should probably wear gloves, but we're already in it. Let's go ahead and spread that open, look at what's in there. Ooh, can you guys see that, the dust, the dirt? That's nasty. Look at my hands. Most used car dealerships and new car dealerships, they change this whenever they do a certified or they put a car on the lot for sale. I mean, that's nasty. All right, so let's take a look inside the charcoal. You can hear that charcoal bouncing around. You can actually see it inside each of the little honeycombs. Let's try to get some of that out of there. So they look like sprinkles. Let's try to oh, there we go. Oh yeah. So right there you can see all the little pieces of charcoal. Doesn't really have much of an odor. You can see the mold just wiping off of there. Grab the other one. I mean, look at how nasty that one is. So my filters are changed. Hopefully the car smells better. I'll let my wife be the judge of that. I've been driving the car, so it just kind of used to it now. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.